Hi everyone, today we'll make a Father's Day card. The materials we'll be using are listed on the screen. First of all, we'll use the washi tape to border around the small rectangular card. Then we'll cut out 12 hearts from the big piece paper. The number of hearts depends on how many letters you want to write on the hearts. Like I want to write I heart you DAD, that's 6. Now you line up the hearts into 2 rows and put a thread on one of them. Put on glue on every heart and stick every 2 hearts together with the thread in between. Now you can write the letters on the hearts. And make sure that you write the same letter on both sides of the heart when you flip the string of hearts over. Now you can cut a big heart out of the brown decorated piece of paper. You can always use different colors of paper and just make sure that they match each other. For this heart that I cut out, I noticed the bottom of it is too blank. So I decided to cut a new one. Which one do you like more? I feel I like this one with more letters. Now I'm distressing the edges of the hearts to add on a vintage look. I choose the color blue. They look pretty good, right? Now I need to fix the bottom of the string in the inside of the big heart. The tip here is to make sure the last letter is above the big heart. Otherwise, when you pull out the string hearts, the last 1 or 2 letters will be hidden in the big heart. Tuck in all the small hearts into the big one and close up both sides of the big heart. Now it looks like a bouquet of hearts. Let's decorate this bouquet of hearts with this string bow. For the top end of the string, we'll fix it into a key sticker. Just open up the sticker halfway up and put the string into it. Stick back the sticker. Now it's almost done. Now let's have a test. Pull out the string hearts, pretty smooth. And let's put it back. And tuck in the key sticker. Now put the bouquet on the rectangular card. Yay, it looks pretty good. Now it comes to the final step. Write down Happy Father's Day. And of course, I think it can be a Mother's Day card or a happy birthday card. I personally think this card is a good choice for any important occasions. Just don't forget to change the letters. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the card and the craft ideas that I shared, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.